Hi guys, just a quick video today. What we're going to be doing is looking at how to reset the service interval light on this Volkswagen Polo. I believe this is a 2000 model. So if I put the key in the ignition and twist it to stage 2 here, we can see that the in-service inspection light is flashing there. This car has now had a full service and that needs to be reset so that doesn't flash every time the ignition key is turned on. So I'm just going to take the key out, put the key back in just to reset everything. And I'm going to push and hold this button at the bottom here for around 5 seconds. What that's doing is telling the ECU that we want to reset the service interval because the car's now had a service and this doesn't need to be displayed every time. Okay, so while continuing to press this button, I'm just going to turn the ignition on. There we go. And we can see the lights have come on. It's very straightforward, very simple. Anyone can do it. In another couple of seconds, we'll see that the service interval should disappear. There we go, perfect. Just to double check everything, I'm going to take the key out of the ignition. Everything's gone. Key's going back into the ignition. Turn the ignition on. No more service inspection light. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.